For the part 2 of the second principle of QMS, which is the leadership, I will be discussing Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award. So what is Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award, or MBNQA? It is an award established by the U.S. Congress in 1987 to raise awareness of quality management and recognize U.S. companies that have implemented successful quality management systems. The award is the nation's highest presidential honor for performance excellence. In your company, what are the areas of performance do you want to improve? Production cost, customer satisfaction, or employee retention? Organizations everywhere are looking for ways to effectively and efficiently meet their missions and achieve their visions. Baldrige provides a framework to improve your organization's performance and get sustainable results. Whether your organization is manufacturing, service company, small business, education, healthcare, or non-profit or government, has site or worldwide location, Baldrige can work for you. Your organization's success is their goal. In conjunction with the private sector, NIST, or the National Institute of Standards and Technology, designed and manages the award and the Baldrige National Quality Program. What makes Baldrige different? Baldrige helps organizations address a dynamic environment, focus on strategy-driven performance, achieve customer and workforce engagement, and improve governance and ethics, societal responsibilities, competitiveness, and long-term organizational sustainability. What is performance excellence? The term performance excellence refers to an integrated approach to organizational performance management that results in delivering of increasing value to customers and stakeholders, contributing to organizational sustainability, improvement of overall organizational effectiveness and capabilities, and organizational and personal learning. The 7 Baldrige Award Criteria Categories. Organizations that apply for MBNQA are judged by an independent board of examiners. Recipients are selected based on achievement and improvement in 7 areas, known as the Baldrige criteria for performance excellence. We have first, leadership, how upper management leads the organization and how the organization leads within the community. Next, we have the strategic planning or strategy, how the organization establishes and plans to implement strategic directions. Next, we have the customer and market focus, how the organization builds and maintains strong, lasting relationships with customers. Next, the measurement, analysis, and knowledge management, how the organization uses the data to support key processes and manage performance. Next is the workforce focus, how the organization empowers and involves its workforce. Next, we have the operations or the process management, how the organizations design, manage, and improves key processes. Last is the result or results, how the organization performs in terms of customer satisfaction, finances, human resources, supplier, and partner performance. operations, governance, and social responsibility, and how the organization compares to its competitors. For the journey to excellence, this book is based on several years' study of the 9 Baldrige Award winners from healthcare. It describes how this organization approached their Baldrige journey and what other healthcare leaders should do to reap similar benefits. So Baldrige was far from more than an award, and it served as their roadmap, a comprehensive blueprint for building organization-wide competencies to address the challenges facing their organization. So kindly see the full article below is the link. So these leaders were looking for a comprehensive solution to meeting and overcoming the following strategic challenges. First is redesigning healthcare to comply with rapidly changing standards and expectations. Next is building ways to leading and managing the key work processes of the organization. Last is moving from managing dozens of improvement projects to leading the organization as a holistic entity. We have here the stages of the Baldrige journey. We call the first stage or the stage 0 as reaction stage. They are focused primarily on compliance, responding to the ever-growing list of demands to measure this, demonstrate that, or change particular practices and behavior. For stage 1 or the project's stage, seeking to improve proactively, organizations deploy improvement methodologies such as PDCA or the Plan Do Check Act, Lean, Six Sigma, etc. And then we call the stage 2 the traction stage. Baldrige feedback identified clear, actionable gaps in their culture and leadership and management approaches such as leaders' communication, strategic planning, performance measurement, and transfer of best practices. With increasing process literacy, they were able to improve organizational alignment and the connection across categories, improving the entire system. We call it the integration stage or the stage 3. And then the last stage is sustain or the continuous improvement. Leadership. The remainder of this section reviews 5 essential aspects of transformational leadership. First is a focus on mission, vision, and values. A culture of teamwork and change or an emphasis on common goals promotes teamwork, discourages blame, and creates a culture in which change is expected and welcome. Then we have the communication and transparency, rewards and recognition, and leadership development. For the communication and transparency, at Robert Johnson University Hospital, Hamilton, senior leaders' role model service behaviors and have signed a formal senior leadership commitment agreement. There are several mechanisms that facilitate empowerment and innovations, including team talk, shared governance, best practice sharing technology, external benchmarking, voice of the customer, service recovery process, employee satisfaction, work-life balance, and diversity committees. Then for the rewards and recognition in Bronson Methodist Hospital, for example, maintains a culture of fun and fabulous prizes characterized by thank you notes, on-the-spot recognition, leader recognition toolbox, celebrations and prizes, hospital week, nurses week, employee appreciation, annual events or picnic holiday, children's holiday party, service awards, and annual recognition, nursing excellence awards, President's Team Awards, and some bonuses. So kindly read the Foundation of Leadership in Baldrige winning organizations for the other discussion for this Malbridge. Here are the references for this presentation. Kindly watch the last presentation for the second principle of QMS. Thank you.